Hello, in this video I will go over what's the point. This Nuke plugin, as the name suggests, helps get locators in 2D and 3D. They still have 4 modules, and in this video I will go over the first module that works with geometry. To demonstrate it, I will use a simple scene with a sphere and a card. I will connect the camera, the geometry, and the scale and render result to the tool. All I have to do now is add a point. That's it. Once we have an object name, it means a point has been found. And if I will play the clip, I can see the point sticks. By pressing Shift, Alt, and click, we can add as many points as we like. And by changing the node GL color, we can highlight the selections point. We can also view the points in the 3D viewer. By pressing F, we can center and zoom on the selected points. The Remove button will remove selected points, and Clear will clear the table entirely. To demonstrate a bit more, I will use an animated shot. Again, I'm connecting the thin geometry, the render, and the camera. I will add a few points, and that's it. They're tracked. I want to highlight that the tool is not using a depth or position pass, but the geometry itself. The point we are getting back is not one of the vertices, but a point on the polygon that will stick with it while the geometry gets deformed. The label button will show us the name of the point. We can also rename it. And the Stabilize button will stabilize a selected point for us, so we can double check. If we select more than one point, it will average them and stabilize that point. Finally, we can bake the points. By selecting a point or more than one point and clicking Bake, we can bake 2D or a 3D point simultaneously. The 2D will give us a transform nodes, and the 3D will give us an axis. It will also give us a rotation that aligns with the normal of the point. The 2 bottom option in the Bake panel will give us back an average points, both for 2D or 3D. That's it. A link to the compiled version and the source code is in the description below. One caveat is that I'm still working on Nuke 12 and haven't tested that on a higher version. I will need to adapt the code to the new Nuke 3D system, so please bear with me on that one. Thank you for watching.